Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Cooking Goth, and today I'm up here in Whitehall, West Virginia at Dairy Queen in the BFS. The Oreo Mint Blizzard is back. And whenever I was in there, I saw a sign that said, if you buy a Blizzard at regular price, you get one for 80 cents for the 80th birthday. I'm going to test this out. Here we go. This is really good. I've noticed the difference between there's McDonald's. DQ's has bigger chunks of Oreo cookie. That's really good. I also want to say that I got this for free because Renee that works in there talked to our district manager and they wanted me to do a review. And that's awesome. I was treated really well in there. Very respectful people. So shout out to them and to Dairy Queen. Go and get you some. Have a great day, everyone.